Today we're installing Xpress Trak in a basement remodel in Lakeville, Minnesota. The space is a previously unfinished basement that is in the middle of being renovated to add more livable space to the home. This basement is about 1,250 square feet, consisting of a main living room area, a closet, a full bathroom, and a bedroom. Xpress Trak is designed for residential new construction and remodels. This radiant panel is made up of lightweight XPS foam that is laminated with aluminum. This provides insulation to the space and an even heat transfer. A little bit of adhesive goes a long way in securing Xpress Trak to the concrete slab or subfloor. Xpress Trak is incredibly light, making it easy to maneuver in the space and create custom panel sizes, angles, and cutouts with just a sharp knife. From start to finish, this project took 3 installers about 8 hours to get the Xpress Trak placed and cut to size, and the pipe installed and routed to the manifold. Xpress Trak comes with pre-grooved channels for the pipe, but it is very easy to create custom routes with simple tools for each unique floor layout. And even better, this installation method doesn't require much effort to get the pipe into place. The installer simply steps the pipe into the grooves, minimizing any backstrain.
Essentially getting all of the panels laid with your loops going the direction you want them, coming back, kind of cutting in your loops as need be, and then the pipe, essentially you've got 2 people going, one person with holding the coil and the other person stepping the pipe in, so it goes really slick after that.
For me, the easiest part was putting the panels down. Other than a quick track product, all you've got to do is really just throw the panels down, and because of the material, it's very easy to create channels and routes with a router and a bit to basically get where you need to go. So it's super easy doing it that way with Xpress Trak.